nice. It's different, man.
Two Sundown NSV 412s.
Okay. Sweet. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Different, man. So is it a fourth order or a fourth? Okay.
Two Sundown NSV 412s.
Okay. Sweet. What's the tuning on it?
40 hertz.
40 hertz, okay. How about your battery and alternator power?
Grand X320 and XS power is 7500.
Okay. Have you metered it?
Not yet.
No? Okay. Who built the box?
I did.
You did. Nice work, man. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full quick little walk around we got of Nathan's system. Really very unique style system. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. Really nice box. Don't really see a lot of styled systems like this. Really nice plexiglass viewing as well. Kind of get a couple of close-up shots for y'all to kind of see how it looks. He built the box as well, so be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. He did a really good job showcasing it at the TDH show. I like the way that he has the box layout, and this is actually a fourth order. These subwoofers are inverted, but there's actually a sealed section behind this ported section that you're looking at in this viewing. And you can see that he has a really nice depth box. He did have it tuned to 40 hertz. I think that's what he was saying, but you can see the airflow from that port. And he didn't say what size amplifier, but he does have a Sound Digital 8,000 watt amplifier ran at 1 ohm on 2 of these NSV 412s. Really big port area to optimize for output. He did have a pretty nice demo you're going to see where he played with the doors open. Sound really nice with a really good bandwidth response down into the high 20 hertz range. I really like the way he has the box layout. You can see that he actually cut out in his cab of his truck to kind of fit the sealed section in the back of the truck. You'll see when I did the walk around earlier if you saw that there was a box actually inside of the back of the truck as well. And these are 8,000 watts total between the two 12-inch subs. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the cardio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily videos, and enjoy. All right.
Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me. Who built the box?
I did.
You did. Nice work, man. Thank you. What was your name again?
Nathan Whistle.
Nathan. All right. Appreciate it, man. You have a good day. Thank you for the demo.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.